Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe, like and share and comment and let me know. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a delicious vegetable rice with chicken. And these are the ingredients you're seeing: carrots, onion, cabbage and some chicken. So while cutting your carrots, cut them into the shapes you really want. Cutting the onion, cut it into the shape you really want it to be. And even your cabbage, you cut it into the pieces you want them to be. So hope you'll enjoy. So for the cabbage, I'm going to be using hot water. I'm not going to cook it. I'm going to use hot water because I want it to remain crunchy. So you put hot water and wait for like 2 to 3 minutes and it will be crunchy. And then add onions to a heated oil and add your carrots. So I want everything in my rice to be a little bit crunchy, not overcooked. So this is how I'm going to make it. Kindly follow till the end. And then I'll add the chicken. Yeah, the chicken, but I cut them in smaller pieces from the chicken legs. As you'll see, I'll add even my chicken leg bones to make my rice look so delicious. So for this rice recipe, I used the Nigerian Maggi, and if you're in China, you can buy it from Pinduoduo. You can try it as well if you haven't used it. It gives the rice a very good taste and aroma. Kindly give this video a thumbs up, comment, let me know how you cook your rice. Do you like it? Have you ever tried it? Are you going to try it? Let me know in the comments. And if you like it and you can share it, please don't forget to subscribe if you're newcomer. So at this point I added in soy sauce, I added in ketchup, and then I will add in the crunchy cabbages, and then add in rice, and then stir. Make sure that your rice is not together. Make sure it's one on one. Yeah, it will make the look so nice. Yes. And then mix it together. As you can see, we are almost done. So right now you can leave it on a very low heat for each and everything to mix together and give it a very good aroma. At this point, you can serve it to your loved ones, to yourself. Yeah, it's ready. Trust me, you won't regret. You'll keep doing the same recipe time and again because, hey, thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing, support my channel, and let's grow together. Thank you.